Hi there and welcome back. As you've seen in the last video, that was just a little hello, welcome back, I'm still alive, thank you. Now this video is getting this thing ready for an MOT. Now my MOT is actually tomorrow for me as it sits now. The video you watched is probably like 2-3 days ago, but yeah, I've got a few bits and bobs I need to get done. I've already done a couple, but there's a few more I need to get done, and then I'll take you to the MOT place, which will be tomorrow, but it'll be in the same video. A bit weird. And yeah, we can see whether I pass or fail. Got a feeling I'm going to fail. Usually sort of fail on rear brakes, no idea why. And I've got a feeling I might fail on rust, because I've got a lovely rust hole down here. Ooh, you can see the ground. And there is one a little bit further around, so yeah, I got a feeling he's going to be a dick and fail me on that, but we'll find out together. I did also have to put my steering wheel back to the original one. I say original loosely, that's Matt's old steering wheel. He's got the same aftermarket Momo steering wheel as me. He's managed to get his horn to work. I can't get my horn, the little horn button in the middle to work. So he's lent me that one, just so my horn will work. But when you press it, the horn doesn't work. So I think I know what the problem is there. Yeah, rear lights. Yeah, we'll just get into it. There's a few bits and bobs, and then tomorrow we can get into actually going for the MOT, seeing what's what, see if anything needs to be fixed, fixing it, and having this thing legal for another year. And then I do plan to basically give the van to someone for a couple of weeks, get 2 new rear arches welded in and a new sliding door step. Get that completely done, because I don't think I'm going to be able to do the sliding doors. I could probably do the arches, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do the sliding door step. So might as well give it to someone who's a bit betterer and get them to do it. So let's get to the front, find out why the horn's not working, because I think that's going to be the hardest job. So see you at the front. Well, at the front, and this is where I've located my horns. I have a couple of aftermarket ones, but hopefully you can see it's very corroded up here. So I'm thinking if I give them all a good sand, hopefully they'll work again. Oh, also while I'm here, a little sneak peek of the pod filter. That will be coming in an upcoming video. That was filmed ages ago, so I'm going to give this a sand. Yeah, hopefully that works, because if it doesn't, I don't know. So let's try it. Well, they're all sanded. Moment of truth. Do hope they work, because else I am pooped without them. Really? What the fuck?
A few moments later.
Well, they work. Enough. So I'm going to bolt them back on to where they go, put a front end on, and then that's our job done. At least it works. Well, there's that done. All back together and working. Yes! Oh yeah. Someone smashed my other wing mirror, and I've managed to get a spare. It's a bit broken, works better than my other one. The next job we need to tackle is these rear lights. Now, yeah, as you can see, they're quite smoked and black. On the last MOT, they just about got through. He said that there was enough reflection in them to get through, he said, but he wasn't very happy with them. So I need to resolve that. Now, I did originally do that with some spray in a tin stuff. Come out really nice. It's just, yeah, probably went a little bit too much. But probably about 6 months or so ago, there was a post put up on Facebook on the buy and sell page. Got a load of stuff, come pick it up, take it away. In that there were a T4 oil filter, never used, sump plug, an auxiliary belt, a couple of the proper OEM central locking mechanisms, which are still out there, some hoses, and 2 brand spanking new rear tail lights. Not that, that's a turbo. Brand new, never used. He had them, sat in his garage for probably 2-3 years, he said, and he's moving. He's now got a T5, unfortunately, and said, I don't need them anymore, I'd rather give them to someone who could use them. And that person is me. So, very nice of him to have offered them for free. We all like free. And, damn sight better than the original. I've got loads of crap in the way. I have to move all my tools, my water jug. That's why I have them there. Hides it well. Let's try this. Ta-da! Done. Lights are done. Even managed to get our fog light working, because apparently that wasn't working. Horn's done, steering wheel's done. I think we're pretty much ready to go for the MOT. So, this will be the end of this part of the video. I'll pick this back up tomorrow when we're on our way for an MOT. Hopefully, we'll have some good news. Look how dark these were. Unbelievable the difference. Definitely going back on the black ones though, they look cool. Anyway, I'm going to pick this video up tomorrow when it's MOT time, so wish me luck. Well, a couple of days later, took a van for its MOT, and yeah, mixed reviews. I failed. I mean, I kind of expected to, but not like this. I normally fail because of my brakes. I think one side grips more than the other. For saying that, since I've done that, I've got a whole new rear caliper on that side, because that one exploded. If you can remember, I'll try and put a card up here. It exploded on the way back from work. I was doing like 60 mile an hour, I had no brakes. It was terrifying. Yeah, that didn't fail, which I was surprised about. I didn't fail on emissions, which I thought I was going to. I do have a side exit, decat, but no, absolutely fine, nothing wrong with that. I did fail on, let's get the glasses, shock absorber missing rear. Now, I'm guessing he wrote that wrong, because they're not missing, they are definitely there. So I'm going to have a look at that, check that they're actually there. I think they're blown, I think that's the actual problem, but we'll check. Suspension arm ball joint excessive worn offside front. Now, he didn't actually say whether that was the top or the bottom, so I'm just going to replace all of them because can't go wrong then. Brake pipes excessively corroded front to rear. I think the rest of it's all been replaced with copper. I think it's just the remaining standard bit. So I'll have a look at that. Maybe just sort of get a bit of wire wool and make it look pretty again, possibly. Floor excessively deteriorating near side front doorstep. Yep, I had a feeling that was going to come up. He did actually say the doorstep isn't the fail. There's actually a patch over from the doorstep, like sort of next to it, but it's close enough to the anchoring point for the seatbelt that's classed as a fail. So yeah, gonna have to patch that up. Hence why you can probably see my welding mask, but it's absolutely chucking it down. So that ain't happening today. Brake pipes corroded. These are advisories. Brake pipe corroded, or brake pipes corroded, covered in grease or other materials, offside and near side front. Yeah, that's just an advisory. I'll have a look at it. And yeah, so that's that. So I've got welding. I've got to put some rear shocks in the back, or figure out why he thinks they're missing. Ball joint, and then just a little bit of, basically I'm just going to get like a wire wool or like a metal scrapey brush thing and try and clean them up and make them look better. That's only an advisory anyway. So, yeah, not very pleased with that, but there we go. Like I said, it's absolutely chucking it down, so I'm not too sure how much I'm going to get done. I have sort of half attempted. The MOT was actually a few days ago. I was not Not best impressed, so I didn't bother picking up the camera. And I didn't pick a camera up when I was there, because in all fairness, I thought it was quite rude me just walking around someone's workshop filming, so I didn't do that. But that is that. Did have an eye infection, that's why I've got my glasses. Did have an eye infection the other day. I think I left my contact lenses in too long and my eye just puffed up, so I've had to wear my glasses for a bit, which is just more awesome. But never mind, onwards and upwards. One of you lovely human beings on my Instagram, really nice chap. I will put all of his details in the description. His name's probably on the screen somewhere. His Instagram handle is T4Shitbox and he's called George. Really nice chap. If you're not already following him, go over and follow him. His content is actually quite fun. Yeah, he seems to slowly but surely be replacing absolutely everything on his van. I don't know whether he's got a curse or what's going on, but yeah, it's very, very helpful guy. I've actually learned a few things from him. But he has a ball joint puller for one of these, and I was questioning him on which one should I buy. And he said, nah, don't worry about it. I'll send you mine. And it's currently on its way to me right now. So thank you so much for that, mate. Really appreciate that. So yeah, that should make life a little bit easier. Just waiting for that to turn up and waiting for the parts to come in stock. Because at the moment, they're not in stock for some reason. I can get the lowers, but I can't get the uppers. I think. Might be the other way around, but who cares? But anyway, that's enough rambling on. I'm going to go lie on a wet floor and regret why I own a T4. But, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with my dumb ass. Thank you very much for being awesome. And as always, take it easy.